Hello guys, this is Urbanized Media. Welcome back again to my channel. Today is a new vlog and we are in Nnobi, in a market called Afọr Nnobi in Nnobi, Anambra State. This is a market that holds every Afọr day. It holds every Afọr day, and this is the biggest Afọr market in Anambra State. It's possibly the biggest Afọr market in Anambra State. It holds on every Afọr day. You know, in Igbo calendar we have Eke, Orie, Afọr and Nkwọ. We have 4 days in a week in Igbo calendar. So this particular market holds every Afọr day. There are some other Igbo markets that hold on Eke, Orie and Nkwọ day. This one is on Afọr. It's only on Sundays that it doesn't hold. Apart from Sunday, it holds every Afọr day, be it on the Christmas day, be it on Easter day, any day that is not Sunday. This market and every other Afọr market in Igbo land holds. So I'm going to take you guys around this market while I give you brief information about Afọr Nnobi and Afọr in Igbo land. But before we continue, subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. And to all the returning subscribers, I say thank you so much. So guys, let's go. So like I've said earlier, every village, every town in Igbo land have Afọr market. That is the market that holds on every Afọr day. Like we have in Igbo calendar, we have Eke, Orie, Afọr and Nkwọ. So every Afọr day, this Afọr market holds, and it's a traditional Igbo market where people from small villages, from neighboring towns converge, bring their goods, majorly farm produce, to sell to people in town. Usually, this Afọr market now, this Afọr Nnobi now, people from Nnewi, from other towns, even people from Onitsha, come to Afọr Nnobi to buy so many things. And it's also good to know that Afọr market and other Igbo traditional markets are where you buy your farm produce at the cheapest possible prices, because those villagers, those that cultivate those items, they bring it to the Afọr themselves to sell to those that are coming from town. Then it's also good to know that Afọr markets are mostly dominated by women. Women in their 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. They are usually the people that dominate Afọr and all these traditional markets in Igbo land. You still find men in their numbers, but women always dominate. Igbo women are hustlers. Igbo women are so hardworking. Come to Afọr or any Igbo traditional market and you confirm it yourself.
chọrọ ikwu isi ụlọ ọsọ bịa ebe a anyị na-enwe ọgwụ anya problem